be different if we could just take it slow, let it go. Roll down all the windows, feel the wind rush it through. Hear the music, take the groove. Don't you know all I'll ever really wanna be is a connected high. You and I, pinnacle, climactic vibe. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. You don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the 9 to.
So my skin is getting very oily nowadays, so I'm not gonna moisturize my face. You can definitely use any moisturizer and any toner. Okay, so I'm gonna use this lip moisturizers to moisturize my lips. I'm gonna use this shade. These are the lip glosses, and this palette is from Profusion. This is a really amazing palette. Okay, so lip moisturization is done, and it's really moisturizing. I highly recommend this one. I'm gonna do my eyes first because I need that sharpen up eye makeup. Okay, so for my eye base, I'm gonna use this Kryolan Derma base. Okay, this is really amazing. I highly recommend this one, and the shade is like gone from here, so I don't know what the shade is. So first I'm gonna use this palette, and from this palette I'm gonna use the lightest gray color. For my transition shade, I'm gonna use this color, like this one. This is the lightest color. Okay, and taking down to my lower lash line. So what next I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply the darkest color. Okay, so this is the K Beauty palette. I'm gonna use this color, like this is kind of green gray color. So अभी के लिए आई मेकअप को थोड़ा सा देते हैं विराम. So now let's move on to base makeup. First I'm gonna apply some concealer on my under eyes, then I will apply my foundation. Okay, so for my brush, for my concealer brush, I'm gonna use this Cuffs and Lashes brush. Okay, this is F011 brush, and for my concealer I'm gonna use this Hilary Rhoda concealer in the shade number 03. It's a very nice concealer. I'm gonna apply a little bit over here first, and with the help of this brush I'm gonna apply it on my under eyes. First I'm gonna clean this edge. Okay, so my concealer is done, and for my foundation I'm gonna use this foundation. This is the matte look foundation in the shade number 04 Ivory. This foundation is highest of coverage, so I really like this foundation. I'm gonna use 2 pumps of this foundation. First I'm gonna warm it up. So for my highlighting concealer, I'm gonna use this Mars Seal the Deal concealer in the shade number Porcelain, and this is it's okayish kind of a concealer. I'm not a huge fan of this one, but I need something more highlighting. That is why I'm gonna use this one. So my concealer is like this much only. I know it's too much but I need some coverage, more coverage. Okay, I'm gonna use same beauty blender. This tip I'm gonna use for my under eyes. Going parallel to this line, taking above, and now going to the midway like this. Just wing it really well, and now don't let it dry. Just take a black shade, and I'm gonna take this round brush, and I'm gonna take the black shade from this palette and smudge it out. More. And I'm gonna take this brown shade to make it more intensify. And next I'm gonna use this kajal. This is from Faces Canada. I have used this eyeliner, this glitter eyeliner like this. Sorry, I haven't recorded the portion of this one, but this is how I apply this eyeliner over the black eyeliner. Little bit. Next, I'm gonna use this palette, and I'm gonna use this silver glitter. This line. Over here I'm gonna use the silver glitters over here, just on the front, and little bit over here. Like on this portion on my front eye. So next I'm gonna use this palette. I'm gonna use the translucent powders from this palette, all of the shades. And again I'm gonna use this shade as my bronzer. Okay, next I'm gonna use this lightest bronzer, and then I'm gonna use this darker one. Okay, it's a kind of a cool tone bronzer and cool tone contour, so that is why I'm gonna use this one. And these are not that much pigmented, so you can definitely build it up. Another bronzer, for my darker bronzer I'm gonna use this palette, and I'm gonna use this shade. I'm gonna use these two blushers as well. Okay, next I'm gonna use these two blushers. My highlighter, I'm gonna use this Mars highlighter in the shade number rose gold. Look at the packaging, it's really gorgeous, and look at this print, it's really good. Okay, I'm gonna use very light hand. You can see it's really good, it's very blinding. It's not intense pink, but it is kind of bronzy pink color, so it is good for all skin tones. For medium to tan, you can use this, even though fair skin tone also can use this. Okay, so next I'm gonna use these. So next I'm gonna cut my face. So next I'm gonna use this toner as my makeup fixer. You can definitely use water as well to make it long lasting and sweat proof, waterproof. Okay, for my lipstick I'm gonna use these two shades. This is the Just Herbs lipstick in the shade number Berry Nude, and this is the NYB lipstick in the shade number Hugs and Mugs 12. So and again on top of it I'm gonna use this nude color to mute it down more. And lastly, you can definitely add some lip gloss if you need to, but the matte lips are looking really gorgeous, but still I love, you know, glossy lips, so that is why I'm gonna use this lipstick, sorry, lip gloss. This is from Mars Cosmetics. You can definitely use any kind of gloss you have, any kind of colored lip gloss or any lip gloss that you have. Okay, okay, so now it is looking really bomb. Okay, so this is the final finished look, and I hope this look is very helpful for you, and I just love this makeup look so much. It is looking stunning and gorgeous, and you can definitely carry this makeup look any of your functions, any of your, you know, parties, and anywhere you want to have this makeup look. You can definitely switch up the colors and make most out of it. Okay, so yeah, I love this makeup look so much. Just look at this eye makeup, it's stunning. Just look at those glitters, it's looking stunning, it's really good. So yeah, I hope this video is very helpful for you. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. You can definitely follow me on Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram handle is Rachmakeups and my Facebook handle is Rach Studios. You can definitely follow me there, and follow me for more makeup tutorials and for more makeup looks. And till then, take care.